Looking for work abroad? Malaysia. In this video, we bring you the latest job openings in Malaysia for Sri Lankan candidates, along with salary details, demand sectors, and how to apply legally through JIFCO Recruitment. Why Malaysia? Malaysia is one of the most consistent hiring destinations for Sri Lankan workers. Here's why. Strong demand in manufacturing, services, and hospitality, clear legal processes through SLBFE and Malaysian authorities, salaries paid on time with proper accommodation, multicultural society with many South Asian workers already their current job categories in demand as of this month. These sectors are actively hiring: manufacturing and factory work, electronics assembly, plastic packaging, glove factories. Salary Rm 1,500, earn 2,000 plus OT, accommodation and transport provided, hospitality, hotel housekeepers, kitchen helpers, restaurant crew. Salary Rm 1,800, earn 2,200 plus meals plus OT. Uniform and hostel provided, cleaning and facility management, office cleaners, building maintenance. Salary Rm 1,500, Rm 1,800 plus OT, work in malls, schools, or large properties, retail and supermarkets, cashiers, shelf stockers, helpers. Salary Rm 1,700, earn 2,000 plus food plus transport. Who can apply? Age 21 to 45 years, experience not always required, depending on role, gender. Both male and female roles available, documents, valid passport, NIC, and medical fitness. Benefits of applying through JIFCO: when you apply through JIFCO Recruitment, you get 100% legal processing with SLBFE approval, transparent employer contracts, pre-departure training, post-arrival follow-up support, no hidden charges or false promises. How to apply? Visit www.jifcorecruitment.com. Submit your CV and passport copy to begin processing. Slots are limited. Apply early to secure your chance. Closing message: Malaysia continues to be a reliable destination for Sri Lankan workers seeking safe, stable jobs abroad. With JIFCO by your side, you'll get legal support, honest guidance, and the best possible opportunity. Apply today. Your future begins now.